You have to approach it like the end of an action movie, like which wire can I snip so this thing doesn't blow up. I'm not saying I don't love you. I'm not saying I don't care about you, but you sound like a dump truck full of peat moss backing up every night. I can't get to sleep. I don't want you to wear a scuba mask, so can I just sleep in the other room?
Yeah.
I see people use a similar framework to make requests at work too. Number one, tell them how much you enjoy the work and working with them. Number two, but something is not working. Number three, I don't want to trouble you. Number four, can we do things a little bit differently? I.e., my way.